Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be upgrading my dome light to Auxito LEDs. Let me open this up. The one I got in there is blown, so it's time to replace it. So this is what it looks like. And I'm partnered with Auxito, so you got 15% off using promo code Mark Rodriguez. Everything will be in the description below. All you're gonna need is a Spunger tool. And if you're wondering why I got fuel injectors, I'll be testing out the green 1ZZ fuel injectors. I got the blue ones in. And I had, I think, one or two requests to see what's the difference between the green one and the blue one. So I already got the blue ones installed. I'll be testing out the green to see what's the difference. Because on paper, the specs, it's only 5cc difference. But I'll leave that for another video. Let's go get on with this one. Set you on the tripod. Alright, so it's two little indentations. Just stick the pry tool in there. Be careful that you ain't scratching the surrounding housing. And that pops off. And then this just turns to the side. Surprisingly, for a little cheap non-branded LED, it lasted 2 years. So now we're gonna open the Auxitos. It comes with two, but you only need one. So I think that's really good. And you just pop it in. So there's not sure, there's a circle right there, so make sure the corner goes directly in it. I might need two hands. Let me try fitting this tripod back over here without it falling. And I don't believe it's one way, but we'll test it. Let's see. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. So that's the LEDs. I gotta find the lens. So now we're gonna cover it, and then we're gonna do a night shot. So that's easy. So let's switch on over to night. All right, here's the night shot. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.